Good morning. I will just describe some aspects of life on which Newton's third law exists in real life activities. Now, what is Newton's third law that you know? To every action, there is a opposite and equal reaction. Action and reaction both is associated and acting at a point on different bodies. The life is full of anxiety. I will tell you the truth of the life in the light of Newton's third law. Suppose you are doing harm to someone, it is the action. So there are two bodies, you and the other body. You are doing harm to the other body, so you are doing action on the other body. You are understanding that nothing will happen to you because you have done the harm to him, and you can see it that yes, harm has been done by you. Now this is the action. Where is the reaction? That person may be weak, but God is there to act as a reaction immediately or afterwards. Please take it granted from me that reaction should be there. Reaction should be on you who are doing the action. So what happens, temporary, you are understanding that nothing is happening to you, and you are calm and quiet after that because you have done mistakes. You realize, yes, doing harm to others is a gross mistake. Still you are doing it because of your bad habit. Now God is seeing, yes, you have done the action, and the person who is weak with respect to you, if you think, God will help you, and the reaction will come to you in future or immediately, if not immediately. So this time is a factor here. You don't know in which form the reaction will come to your life because you have done the mistakes, and the action you have done, reaction must be there on you. And here the theory is that the reaction and actions were equal in Newton's laws of motion, third law of motion, but in this case of life, it will be equal or more, the reaction. So please do not do any harm to your anyone, any creatures of God, because you see, if you are doing harm, then it will return back to you as a harm in a bigger magnitude. It may be in a bigger magnitude, but not less than that. So the Newton's third law is that action and reaction are equal and opposite. You will get back the reaction, minimum will be the equal to you. Equal to you means equal to what you have done, the amount of harm to the other person. So try to lead a gentleman life, a pious life, and you think you do go on doing the work. Work is defined for the good work only. If I tell something is produced, it is a good only. So you go on doing good works to someone, and it will return back to you as good. If that person cannot do good on you, God will help that person to do good on you. So this is my main theory of the life. In the next video, I will try to give you the other laws of thermodynamics and also Newton's law. If you think that yes, whatever you can think you can do, no, everything is limited by God. Only good things are allowed by the God. So never do any harm to anybody. If you have done in the past life, then go to God and confess your mistakes, what you have done for the in your life. So what happens, you know that yes, whatever you have done, you are confessing to God. God will minimize your pain which is coming back to you. Thank you. Thank you very much.